Hey guys, so I am exploring a different flavor of Yoppoki. So this time it's the sweet and spicy tteokbokki rice cake. So this is the red version. I started with the cheese and that was the yellow version. The method and how you cook it is pretty much the same. I just noticed that this cooks much faster with just 2 minutes versus the 3 minute of the cheese. So let's open it. Same packaging, we have this rice cake with the desiccant inside it, and it doesn't stick together because of the desiccant, and it has pretty much the same contents as the cheese version. This one, the sauce is not in powder form. This is in liquid form, so I even spilled something on the table, so sorry for that. So you can see the spill there. So I thought, the sauce was too little. So in here, I was really looking for this marker where I should just stop pouring water. So like it's something that says when, but it doesn't have any. So I pretty much just placed the same amount of water that I would if it were a cheese tteokbokki. So I put the water in the pan, added the sauce right away, removed the desiccant, and then when it was boiling, I added the rice cake. I set a timer for 120 degrees Celsius at 3 minutes. And then put on the lid. On the last minute, this is how it looks like. So you can see the rice cakes are formed. They're soft and I bet they're chewy. So this is the cooked version. Actually, it tastes good. It's not bad. It doesn't feel too soggy for me. It also doesn't feel that it missed any flavor, but adding the salsa con queso of Tostitos would make a huge difference. You can add any cheese spread that you want, but Tostitos for me, that time was the one available and it was really good. When it has been mixed properly, you will see because the color will change from a reddish sauce to something that's a bit orangey. This type of cooking instruction is really thumbs up. I really love how the Tostitos just added a lot of flavor to the sweet and spicy tteokbokki, and it's very good because I like the spice and I like the sweetness of it, but adding the cheese sauce really nailed it. Like if you're someone who is looking into something spicy, you should rather buy this and just add some cheese sauce in it. I think it's good. It's something that you can adjust. And on the other hand, well, you can also do both ways. Like you buy the cheese and then you add some cayenne pepper just to spice it up. But you don't have the sweetness, so your choice. Again, this is nice to have with some soju. And I hope you like this cooking instruction, and you may want to try it out. I prefer this if I would have a cheese sauce, but if not, I prefer the cheese. So there you have it. Thanks a lot for watching. See you again soon. Bye!